It was good time. Okay, so please tell me about you.
Okay. My name is Maggie O'Neill. I'm 21 years old, and I go to school at the United States Military Academy in West Point. I'm a senior in college there, and I'm studying environmental science and Spanish.
And Spanish.
Yes. And I'm going to graduate in the spring in May, and then I will go into the military and serve.
And then you are Glee Club. You are joining Glee Club, right?
Yes, I'm in the Glee Club. So I sing after school, and right now we are traveling to Texas, and I will sing at the Army Air Force football game in Texas.
Yeah, you just watching or play?
I will be singing the national anthem.
International?
National anthem?
National anthem? What do you mean national anthem?
Like with the flag and the...
Oh, I see. Like, yeah, I understand. Okay. And we are talk a lot, right?
Yes.
Almost 1 hour over, right? 1 hour and a half?
Yeah.
I think. I'm glad you are very friendly and kind, because my English is, like big child. But you are a lot talking, and yeah, I'm so glad.
And it just takes practice and you'll get better. And Mayuki is on her way to San Diego.
Yeah.
She's going to a new host family.
New host family,
it's
yes.
very exciting for her.
Yes, and a little nervous. But we are talk the backstory and about Glee Club, and then we are job, and then your school, and then
about our relationships.
Yes, about relationship. It was good time. And I'm glad you joined my channel. Actually, that's my first time take a video in the airplane with friend. But that's really nice to meet you. And then you went to the Texas, right? And then just 3 days, right?
Just until Sunday
Until Sunday.
short trip.
Just today's Friday. Oh yeah, just like 2 days. And then you go to the New York.
Go back to New York to school.
And then
But I'm originally from Minnesota, so
I'm so sorry, Maggie. I was mistake push the button. I just want to tell you, thank you for being my friend and a lot talking. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you soon, Maggie.